Hey everyone, welcome back to Driven to Repair. Today, I'm sharing one simple habit you can do just once a month to make your brakes work like new and last way longer than you'd expect. Whether you're driving a daily commuter, an SUV, or a pickup, this trick will help prevent squeaky brakes, uneven wear, and costly repairs. So grab your coffee and stay tuned, because after watching this, you'll know how to keep your brakes in top shape without spending a ton at the mechanic. Section 1W: Why brakes lose performance. Over time, dust, rust, and road debris build up on your brake components, especially on the rotors, calipers, and pads. This buildup causes your brakes to feel rough, squeal when you stop, and even reduce braking efficiency. And here's something most drivers don't realize. If your brake pads can't move freely inside the caliper bracket because of dirt or rust, they start wearing unevenly, one side wears faster, and that's when braking performance drops fast. Section 2: The once-a-month brake check routine. Alright, here's what you should do once every month to keep your brakes working like new. This takes less than 15 minutes, and you don't need fancy tools. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1: Inspect your brake fluid level. Pop your hood and locate the brake fluid reservoir, usually near the driver's side firewall. Make sure the fluid is between the min and max marks. If it's low, that could mean your pads are wearing out or there's a small leak in the system. Use only the recommended brake fluid type .3, DOT4, etc. Check your owner's manual. Step 2: Clean brake dust off the wheels. Your wheels collect tons of brake dust every time you drive. That dust contains metallic particles that can corrode your calipers and rotors. Spray your wheels with a non-acidic wheel cleaner or use a brake dust remover. Wipe everything down, especially around the brake caliper area. Step 3: Exercise the brakes. Here's the secret most people skip, and it's the heart of this video. Once a month, take your car to an open, safe area and perform 3 to 5 controlled stops from about 40 to 50 miles per hour down to 10 miles per hour. This process heats up your brake system just enough to burn off light rust and glaze on the rotors and pads. It helps keep them smooth, even, and responsive. Step 4: Lubricate slide pins and hardware every 3-6 months. If you're comfortable doing light DIY maintenance, remove your wheel and check your brake caliper slide pins. These pins allow the caliper to move evenly as the pads press against the rotor. Apply a small amount of high-temp brake grease to the pins and pad contact points. Step 5: Listen and feel. Every time you drive, pay attention to your brake feel and sound. A firm pedal is good. If it feels spongy, there might be air in the system or moisture in the fluid. If you hear grinding, squealing, or clicking noises, your pads might be worn or glazed. Trust your senses. Small changes usually mean your brakes need attention before things get expensive. Section 3: Bonus tip: Brake pad bedding. Whenever you install new pads or rotors, you should always bed them properly. This process transfers a thin, even layer of brake material onto the rotor surface. It improves stopping power and prevents vibration. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more car maintenance tips that save you money and keep your vehicle in top shape. And as always, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.